Hello guys, we are gonna be playing the boat for treasure. Cause let's just get started. Let's gonna place his block. I did once. We just made like a big like thing. We just made a little raft and then we just put the blocks all around. Then the blocks were like save our lives. I don't know, but yeah, let's just get started. Just doing this. Just pop that there. Yeah. And then this there. Ah! Get out that. There we are. Let me just move out the way. That needs to go there. That needs to go right there. I'm just going to surround it. I'm just going to surround it like this. There's loads. And guys, I've got a friend. Yeah. Is that all? I think it is. I'm gonna get these metal bricks. I think they are. No, they're the stone. Let's just surround it. Surround it. Surround it. Surround it. Ah, don't place it because we can't anyway. Because if you don't know what this game is, you just build a boat and you get treasure, and then you get more blocks, just like treasure chests, and then you get more blocks and you keep getting money, and then when you get them all, you're gonna, yeah, it's so fun. And then you're like, I ain't quitting this game. I'm never gonna play because we've got all of it. Yeah, because this is what you mainly do. Just make a boat, get treasure, make a boat, get treasure, make a boat, get treasure. That's mainly all you do. Because yeah. I'm going to use these marble, because marble's quite strong. Because that just covers us with marble. And I might just pop some like here. I'm going to use these windows. I think they are. Yeah, they are windows. Because now all I need is my phone. There it is. Beautiful. Rotate. No, rotate. Here we are. Done. I'm gonna see if I survive this. I'm gonna be yay. Because let's just go. Are you sure you want to run and launch your boat? The boat is about to fall off me. I mean my phone. If this survives on, I might have to end the video because it's got a maximum 15 minutes. And it's like a film where you can just record like from your computer or because you got this and you only have 15 seconds because if this survives for long you might not even get to make it and you won't see it in the video because I'm not even close by getting by the obstacle course. There they are. Hopefully this works because it did work last time and I was so close when I accidentally jumped out. Never jump out because otherwise you'll just fall and you die. Once I was keep jumping and then I just died. It wasn't taking any of my health away when I was keep jumping, but then it did. And I was like, no, I was so close. I was like, got to the end like 10 or 5 times. This is actually working pretty good. It just looks like this is like a raft and then like it came over like it like crashed and stuff, and then like a very long time ago, like a long years later, there was like all blocks coming out like stone, just like getting here. What? Wait a minute. I'm just gonna see. Wait. Oh. What was that sound? Oh, I accidentally opened the thing. Yeah. Oh, there's still loads to go because it's like the lava one, I think. I'm gonna do this because it looks cooler. I'm gonna do first person. Going slow again. And there's a video, and you know what? On Jailbreak we are giving away crates. This is about 8, because it's about 5 of the I think it's like, I don't know, I think it, because we got 2 uncommon, 1 rare, and 5 of the normal ones. I can't remember what they are. Yeah, because that's what we got. And only 1 person can get it. And when over them I got my sister gonna buy some cookies to get it. Don't crash into that rock. If you do, I'll break this one. I don't know, but yeah. What are you doing? Okay, that's just my sister. No, no. I just not broke that much. Pound your bitch. Could you get out, please? Oh, you can just be in the background.
You're making the video?
Yeah.
You're making a video?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Guys, just remember to like and subscribe. Just remember that.
And turn on the notification bell to the bell.
And remember to turn on those notifications. I can't believe I forgot that. Sorry.
And on the jailbreak thing, if you want the rare one, you have, I think I forgot to say, you'll have to like every single video and then you can get the rare. So what you need to do is, all you need to do is say, I liked, subscribe, and turn on to notification. And if you want the very rare one, fine. Yeah. If you want the rare one, you have to say, I liked every video. And then you have to write down your Roblox name or why you got. But if you're not on Roblox, if you don't know Roblox, check it out, because just search up Roblox and then it'll come up and then you'll see it. Because then it just says like Roblox and then it will come up and then you can come and then go and do a big. But if you don't like know how to play a thing, I can't tell you, but if you like every video and stuff, thank you so much. Oh, that just slid me back. Let's the camera on this video. Yeah. I hate this one because it's so bad. No! Oh, I just pushed it into that one. What one's after this? I can't remember. I think it's just a different one every time you play. So I don't remember being here. It was like by the end. This one was. No, it's broke. No, I'm dying. No. I'm gonna get some cool stuff. Whoa. What happened? I'm gonna reset my character. Wait, where am I? Seriously don't know. Okay guys, we might just end the video right here, so bye, and remember to like, subscribe, turn on
those notifications.
It's the bell, but you have to subscribe first, because then that makes you never miss a video, and it's a bell. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.